Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to number 3 tan t, the square root of number 3 tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have number 3 tan t square, number 3 and number 3. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1 we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root. The x that is about the square root of number 3 secant of t square dt, after we doing first derivative of tan t. Next, I will put this one gone here, and this one gone here. The x we change by this one. This one we have number 3 tan t square. Next, we simplify this one and this one. So number 3 and number 3, we can do about factorization. This one we have secant of t square. The square root of this one, we have the square root of number 3 secant of t. So this one I will put outside. Secant of t and secant of t square, we can get secant of t to the power of 3. Next, secant of t that is about 1 over cosine t, everything to the power of 3. This one we change by sine t over cosine t. Now we need to simplify cosine t and cosine t. So cosine t, I will put this one gone here. Next, number 1 that is about sine t square plus cosine t square. Next, this one divide by this one, and this one divide by this one. So we have like this. So we know that this one that is about cosecant of t. So I need to concentrate on this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to cosine t. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dz equal to negative sine t dt. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So cosine t we change by z. Sine t dt we change by negative dz. The integration of this one, we have 1 over z, and I will put about c. About z that is about cosine t. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of cosecant of t, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t. And I will put about c in here. Next, about t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 3. And now we have t equal to octane of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.